Bury Castle. Nope, button wasn't working there. So the mines we're building Aldburg need a large town, and this is a large town, so we can upgrade that later. So we need 5,400 or 500 in a few turns. That's okay, we can manage that. Recruitment is complete. We have completed elite units in Hornburg. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay. Leave them there for now, they're not needed in the front, but it's good to have them there as reserves. For now at least.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, for fuck's sake, where did that come from? What is this? What is this? Someone explain. I'm actually mad. Okay.
Your orders, my lord.
What is that? Come on, what is that
Yes,
crap?
my lord.
Where did this come from? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Seriously, what the hell, people? What is this? Is what the fuck?
I'm gonna stick you.
Ah, that is really annoying.
Your orders, my lord.
You have no idea how annoying that
Yes,
is.
my
Okay,
lord.
fucking
Yes.
hell, man.
We can go no.
Your orders, my lord.
Okay, I'll let them siege
Yes,
this
my
settlement
lord.
here, perhaps, and then yeah, that could work. Although they might just run straight down here. That'd be awful. Okay, I'm gonna should I back off into my settlement. I don't know.
Your orders, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Fuck it, we'll join up.
With honor.
There we go, we've got a super
Assembling
army,
a mighty
and we're coming to
host.
get you, you bitches.
We can go no further, my
Super
lord.
army of
We shall
Rohan.
continue tomorrow.
Fuck yeah.
Have a taste of
There's
my
going to be a
blade.
massive battle, guys.
I'm gonna stick
My
you.
instincts to send Theoden up here were correct.
My lord.
Holy shit, this is insane.
My lord.
Okay, get up there.
Approaching quietly.
What is round here? Oh fuck, the high elves are around here.
My lord. Approaching
Don't see them.
quietly.
Over here, perhaps? I remember there's something over here.
Tomorrow's journey planned out.
Alright, where's the diplomat?
Yes, my lord. Yes. Stopping here. Tomorrow's journey planned out.
Right, we do have a bit of a situation here. But we should be able to come out on our side victorious with the army that I just amassed there with Theoden and Thengel combining forces to take down the cheating Isengard forces who just appear out of the trees. How did this army spawn? I want to know. Someone explain. Holy crap, what is that crap? What? Why? Where did it come from? I've already destroyed Isengard and destroyed the army over here, and look, there it is. Site of famous battle, King Thengel versus Nagdash.
Your orders,
God
my
damn
lord.
it. God damn it, this is fucking annoying. Okay. Okay, you bitches are going down. But first I need to build a farm. Okay. Is this good land? I don't know. No. Still nope. Hello there. Dunharrow, can I have a farm? Oh. Yeah, we're building everything we can. Okay, that shall suffice for now, I think. Oh wait, Idras. Ah, hello there. How much upkeep do we have? 4. Okay, so we can build more axemen, perhaps there. Yeah. Increasing tradable goods. Don't see why not. Actually, there's a good reason why not. We need to build mines pretty soon. Treasury toll. Okay, our treasury is going to increase massively anyway, so we might as well spend this money on market. Right. Okay, so we can in turn and go into our massive ass battle. They will no doubt strike at our force as well. They'll either siege Dunnard or they'll go straight for our army. One or the other. I doubt they'll go down to Isengard. They go for the nearest settlement usually. That's how the eye works. I think, anyway. And again, this is Third Age, and they have disappeared, and are probably going to Isengard. Wow, wow, wow. That is they're the biggest dicks I've ever seen. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, you get the fuck down here, I want to see where they are.
Approaching
Where the fuck?
Approaching.
In here. They're fucking in here. What the fuck? They've disappeared. What the fuck?
Yes,
What
my
the
lord.
fuck? They are in those trees. They have
My
to.
lord.
Where the hell have they gone? Where the hell? Holy crap.
My lord.
Entire
Approaching
armies disappearing from fucking.
Approaching quietly.
Okay, the High Elves have got this settlement
Approaching
and they're doing stuff up here.
Approaching.
I am a warrior.
Elro
not
here.
an
Holy
emissary.
shit, Elro here's coming to kick
There
ass.
is healthy respect between us, my lord.
Right, outcome. Projected treasure total 75. Oh, nice. Okay, let's just manage our settlements first. Hello there. We can't do that. Oh, we can do it here. Fuck, why is it so high? Why is it so high?
Your will, my lord.
Can't get men in there.
Your
What the,
orders, my lord.
what the hell, man?
Yes, my lord.
Get in there. Oh, come on, come on. Really? That doesn't...
Your will,
Really? Are you serious?
my lord.
Okay, I can recruit one of these guys and then that'll balance it. Yeah. That's right, bitches. Why are Gondor's diplomats
My
here?
lord
What the...
speaks highly of you. Greetings,
Hello!
most noble ally.
What do you want? Jesus, okay. Just check all our taxes are low. Yeah, they are. Back to get some mines. Fuck. Okay, is Mordor on the way? Oh, hello.
Have a taste of my blade.
You are going to fail because I have an army here and you suck. I could actually build more if I wanted. But I don't want to. Yeah. You suck, you cannot beat me. I would... Actually, it's a good idea to make a backup save right now. Yep. Because we've been playing this for quite a little while. Yeah, where the fuck did that army go? I want to know. How did they... Where did they go? I mean... Alright, back in here. So, what the hell was I doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to find that massive army. Where the fuck? They're not here then. The spy would have seen them in these trees, and it's very unlikely they're down here. I would have seen them run.
Yes, my
So
lord.
they've gone east, I think, or north. I think they've gone east. Well, actually, no, my spy would have seen them east, so they must have went north.
Your orders, my lord.
Where the fuck? Mate, they couldn't have gone west. They didn't go past me. I would have seen that. That was really strange. Okay, I'm gonna, like... Yeah, let's... Okay,
Yes,
what have we
my
got
lord.
here? Hell of a lot of men, that's what we've got.
Your will, my lord.
It's quite a weird noise. It's like a bottle opening. Alright, anyway. Oh, nope. Okay, well... North has 2 settlements and that's got 1, so I'm going for north.
By your command.
Oh shit, there they are.
To exhaustion.
Holy
I'm
shit.
gonna stick you.
Okay,
Have a taste
archers,
of
oh
my
fuck.
blade.
Okay, we've got
I'm
work cut out
gonna
here.
stick you.
Did they have... Wait, what the
Your
fuck?
orders,
Why did they
my
only
lord.
send one guy? What?
Yes, my lord.
Alright. Okay.
With honor. We're combining
Holy
forces.
shit.
We shall
Hello.
engage. I'm gonna stick you.
Let's get our spy up there.
My lord.
Ah, fuck. He's used all his
I shall
movement
continue
points.
tomorrow.
Is this one? Yeah, this one has 2. Okay, where's our diplomat?
My lord.
You, my good sir, will go up here.
As you wish. I shall continue tomorrow, stopping here.
Very strange how they... Actually, it's alright. End turn. Probably have a battle. They should turn around and attack. They've got a bigger army. Come on. Come at me. Come at me, bros. Come at me. I will take you down. Come on. Turn round. Turn round. Oh, what the fuck? You running away? Oh, you're running away. Ah. Why are they running away? I'm right here. Come at me. Who's this guy? He sucks. I don't want him. Construction, Dunharrow. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Poor Harvest. What the hell? Is it random? I don't know. Mines have been built. Mining network next, please. Low taxes. Hadoras is now building a market. I can send this guy.
Your orders, my lord.
back to Edoras if I wish, I think. Very high taxes, yep. Let's get 6 turns until it's built.
My lord.
Back to Edoras. Fuck yeah. This guy's gonna become a boss, man. Oh, I didn't even see what the war declared thing was. Who are Isengard at war with? Rohan, which is me, and rebels, really, that's it. Why are they going north then? They run away? What the hell's going on? I don't quite understand. We're on the market, good. Our economy is very healthy now, this is awesome. Taxes, trade's a lot of it, farming.
I'm gonna stick you.
Alright, we're gonna get up here because I want to see what's going on.
Approaching quietly.
What the shit? Where have they gone now? Holy crap. Where the fuck are they gone?
Yes, my lord.
Have a taste of
What
my
do you
blade.
think you're doing?
To battle. An honourable
What if they-
glory. I'm gonna stick
That's
you.
it, really, they're screwed. Yeah, I don't know where they've gone. Where the hell? They keep disappearing on me. I think they went north and went to attack Eriador, perhaps.
Your orders, my lord.
In that case, let's provoke
Yes,
a
my
response.
As you command.
What are you gonna do when they come for you, bad boys, bad boys?
Muster your courage, men.
They will
We
face the
march
mighty
into
army of
battle.
Rohan and fall. Right. We have 2 generals, I just realised that. Oh yeah. Why is it foggy? Shit. Alright, this army is going to be hard to command at this rate. 2 units of horse archers, holy crap. Okay, let's organise these guys. Go over here. Holy crap. I don't like this map, it's too hilly and I can't see a goddamn thing. Yeah, I really can't see a goddamn thing. Group. Let's have our melee units. Let's have our axemen stay back. We'll sacrifice our militia instead. Yep. Okay, group. And what else have we got? We have a lot of archers that we can use against the enemy. And they better all be in skirmish mode this time, yep. And we have horse archers who will be leading the charge. Where the fuck? Right, okay. Let's send our men down here perhaps. Actually, yeah, let's see what they've got again. They got those. Charge down there. Let's make sure our infantry are at hand, which they are. I can't see a damn thing on this map. Not the greatest map, is it? Let's have our men go over there. Let's make them run. Ah. They are getting fucked up. Fire! Rohirrim! Well, that ought to provoke them, and it has. Let's get back slightly. Let's run behind them. Rohirrim! Use both of them. Oh, they are getting fucked up. Holy shit. run this time, fucking hell. Let's charge. These two will charge them. These three to the left. Several to the left.
The battle is very much in our favor. Victory will be ours. Only half the enemy. Good tidings.
Oh.
The enemy general lies dead.
I can't see a damn thing, but apparently the enemy general's dead. I cannot see a fucking thing. Is that holy shit, where do they think they're going?
Our cowardly foe runs. It's time to press the attack.
Okay, these are enemies. Zoom in a bit. Holy shit, look at that. Holy shit, kill them, what are you doing? Can't quite see anything, this is a horrible, look at this snow, holy shit. Look at this is my visibility. Look at that. Look at that, and then I do this, and it's still bad. I can't fucking see. Kill them. Come on. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward. I think we got this. Yeah, we got this. Holy shit, I can't.
Be awed by the victory we have won here today.
Man, that was insane. Really snowy. Lost 27 men. Some archers. Fuck's sake, they never run away properly when I tell them. Put them in skirmish mode and it doesn't seem to do it properly. It's really, really annoying. It's alright though. Only 25 men. Alright, so we have a choice here. Surely could release them. I think we will release them.
We have triumphed.
Your orders, my lord.
Alright, let's take Tharbad.
Battle. We shall prevail.
Contain siege.
Yes.
So that's all they've got. Wow, okay. And we'll go for North Tharbad right after that. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Maybe they'll stay away from us as long as the Rohirrim is united. Maybe that's what they're afraid of. Hopefully there's no crazy snow everywhere this time, and I can actually see what's going on.